Now, even though this looks a little rough, we're not actually painting the door jamb, okay? So we don't really want to do anything with that. So we're just going to scrub these down a little bit without hitting the jamb. Now, this you don't want to do on wood because it'll eat up the grain, but it's perfect for metal stuff. One of the things we need to check before we go any further is make sure that this thing actually does close correctly. Which you see now that it does. No more sticking anywhere. The next thing we want to do is want to sand down the door. Put this paper together. Then I cut that in half. I only need a half a sheet. Then I fold this together in thirds. Now I have a piece of sandpaper to sand my door with. I just want to bump all this down. It's just getting primed. Bump it all down so it does work. See, whenever you paint a door, these edges can be real sharp, so be sure you bump down those really good, or someone might actually cut their hand on it. Remember, when you're sanding wood, always go with the grain. And we're going to get the heel, that'll wrap it up. So we're going to dust it all down again. We're going to follow that out, wipe it down with our rag a little bit. Okay, now we're going to clean up this mess real quick. See, it's quite a mess. And there's a little that came over, but not too bad. And you fold it up like this, and we can just haul this right out of here right away. Just simple stuff, you know. Pick up the boards, get all the junk on one, take that on out.